Hi, I'm Laura with Rethunk Junk by Laura, and today we are painting a lamp. You need prep, a soft cloth, paint color of your choice, a brush, and of course your lamp. First step is we're going to prep it just like we do with any piece of furniture. Prep is an essential step. Spray it on there. It removes any kind of oil, grease, dirt, anything that would get in the way of the paint adhering. And we don't rinse, no water, anything like that. You're just going to wipe it down with that soft cloth you've got, and it removes all kind of gunk. Look at that. Now we are ready to paint. We chose blue lace, and we're going to put the first coat of paint on kind of thin. We're squishing it in all the holes, just using a cheap brush, nothing fancy. And we're going to put it everywhere we want to paint. And look at this. Look how beautiful that is. We're not going to squish in the holes there because we like that architecture. And we're going to finish the entire piece with the first coat. Then we'll turn a fan on so that it will dry quickly. And now we're ready to start our second coat. Second coat goes on a little bit thicker, covers better. Might take a few minutes longer to dry, but second coat should be your last coat. Sometimes you'll have a little bit more to add if you're doing a piece of furniture that is a really dark color and you're covering it with a light, but it's got great coverage. The paint doesn't smell, dries quickly. And we've got our second coat going on now. And this is our trick for spindles, chairs, whatever it is, flip it on sideways. Seems to stick better and work better when you're doing it that way. Just make sure you're not having a paint day with a friend and splattering anything they're doing, and you're good to go. So there, we've got it on. Once it dries, we will have a fabulously beautiful lamp. Ta-da! Thanks for watching.